Namaskar. In previous video class, I explained about primary and secondary batteries and differences between them. Link for this video class is given in description. In this video class, I will explain about dry cell and lithium ion battery. Dry cell is also known as Leclanché cell or zinc carbon cell. Dry cell is a primary cell. It means it cannot be recharged and reused. Picture of dry cell is shown in this slide. In dry cell, carbon rod acts as cathode, which is positive electrode, and zinc container acts as anode, which is negative electrode. Zinc container contains NH4Cl ammonium chloride paste, mixture of manganese dioxide and powdered carbon. On top of the container, wax seal is present. When anode and cathode are connected, at anode oxidation takes place. It means zinc container release 2 electrons and form zinc plus 2 cation. I am repeating again. When anode and cathodes are connected, at anode oxidation takes place. It means zinc container release 2 electrons and form zinc plus 2 cation. Through outer circuit, these 2 electrons flow towards cathode, causing flow of current. H2O molecule, which is present in the paste, gains these 2 electrons and form 2 hydroxyl OH minus ions. Zinc plus 2 cation, which was formed at anode, take part inside reaction and form diamine dichlorido zinc 2 complex and water molecule. While writing net reaction, cancel ions or molecules or electrons which are common at left side and right hand side. Zinc plus 2 is common at left side and right side, so it is cancelled. 2 electrons are common at left side and right side, so it is cancelled. One water molecule H2O is present at left hand side and 2 water molecules H2O are present at right hand side. So one water molecule is cancelled at right side and one water molecule remains at right hand side. OH minus hydroxyl ion is common at left side and right side, so it is cancelled. After cancellation of common ions or molecules at left side and right side, remaining components are written in net reaction. As per net reaction, zinc plus ammonium chloride plus manganese dioxide give rise to diamine dichlorido zinc 2 plus manganese trioxide plus water plus energy. Applications in television remote controls, wall clocks and toys, etc. Lithium ion battery. It is a secondary battery. It means it is a rechargeable battery. In this slide, we can see the picture of lithium ion battery. Lithium carbon LiC acts as anode, which is a negative electrode. Lithium metal oxide LiNCO2 acts as cathode, which is a positive electrode. A separator separates anode and cathode. It allows only ions. Separator allows only ions. Lithium salt acts as electrolyte. The electrolyte carries positively charged lithium ions from the anode to the cathode. Discharging. While discharging, lithium ions in lithium carbon anode release a electron and form lithium cation. This electron migrates towards cathode through outer circuit, causing flow of current. Lithium cation migrates towards cathode through electrolyte within battery as shown in this slide. At cathode, the lithium cation gains electrons and forms lithium metal oxide LiNCO2. In this slide, lithium cations are shown in green color. While discharging, reactants converts to products. Charging. While charging, products converts to reactants, which is exactly opposite to discharging reaction. While charging, lithium metal oxide LiNCO2 releases lithium cation and a electron. This electron migrate towards anode through outer circuit. Lithium cation migrates towards anode through electrolyte within a battery and gains a electron and form lithium carbon LiC as shown in this slide picture. In this slide, we can see clearly that while discharging at anode, lithium in lithium carbon released a electron and formed lithium cation. At cathode, lithium cation gains a electron and combined with lithium metal oxide LiNCO2 and formed Lin plus 1 CO2. Here to lithium Lin, one more lithium is added, hence it becomes Lin plus 1. This is very important. I am repeating here again. Here to lithium Lin, one more lithium is added, hence it becomes Lin plus 1. While writing net reaction, cancel lithium cation and electron which are common at left side and right side. While charging at anode, Lin plus 1 CO2 release lithium cation and a electron, so Lin plus 1 CO2 becomes LiNCO2. At cathode, lithium cations gains electrons and form lithium. While writing net reaction, cancel lithium cation and electron which are common at left side and right side. Applications. Lithium ion batteries are used in portable devices like mobile phones and smartphones. laptops and tablets, digital cameras and camcorders, electronic cigarettes and toys, etc. And lithium ion batteries can be used in electric cars, electric motorcycles and scooters, electric bicycles, and other electronic devices. Third application, lithium batteries are used in telecommunication applications. Thank you.